addition principle of counting. This is better known as using a Venn diagram. Of a group of students at lunch, 9 ate pizza and 5 had salad. If 3 had both pizza and salad, how many ate, should be 8, not at, pizza, salad, or both pizza and salad? So we got the situation. We got this circle here of the students that had pizza. We have this group of students here that had salad. Now it says some of the students had pizza and salad. So that means that we can take this, we can kind of push these groups together. There's an overlap. The people that are in the overlap here are the people that had pizza and salad both. So when you're doing this, start out with the ones that had both. 3 had both. So that's going to go here in the center. If 3 of them had both and 9 had pizza altogether, that must mean there has to be 6 here because 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 had salad. Of those, there were 5 total that had salad. 3 had both. That means there are 2 left here. So if you look, we got 5 had salad. We got 9 had pizza. 3 had both. So how many were there total that had pizza, salad, or both pizza and salad? Well, it's 6 plus 3 plus 2, which is 11 people. Venn diagram is very helpful for some problems, such as this next one. 2 circles are drawn using chalk on the black top. We'll assume they overlap. If they end up not overlapping, then we'll just put nothing in the middle. 20 girls are standing in the pink circle. Oh, better change this to pink. And 15 are in the blue circle. 9 are in both circles. So we got 9 here in the center. 20 are in the pink. 20 minus 9, which means there's 11 that are in the pink circle exclusively. It says 15 are in the blue, and 9 are already being shared. So that means 6 are in it exclusively. And the total number of girls standing in the 2 circles, so 11 plus 9 plus 6, that's 26 ladies. Here is a table. So read some data in the table. Always read the headings. Sporting trading cards that Albert collected over a 5-month period. So we got baseball, football, hockey, cricket, and rugby. And then we have different months and how many he's collecting in each month. So the question, how many baseball cards did Albert collect in March? So here's March. And then across the top is baseball. So looking at the baseball row in the March column, he collected 38 cards. How many rugby cards did he collect in May? Well, rugby is down here. May is the last column. Looks like he collected 1 rugby card in May. That's how to read a table. So here's a different kind of chart. Bar graph, histogram perhaps. Question is, approximate how many cards Albert collected in April. So April is here. Doesn't say what type of cards, so we're going to assume all of them. If you look across the top, this here is the number of cards collected as the vertical axis. So if you look here in April, it's someplace between 90 and 100. We couldn't say for certain, but we could probably approximate that it's around 95. Someplace between 90 and 100 for sure. Another type of graph is a line graph. Over a 5-month period again, number of cards collected. Which type of trading card did the number of cards collected increase from April to May? So the window we're looking at is here from April to May. If you look at this one here, which I think is baseball, it went down from April to May. Numbers got smaller. It went from like 45 to 40. If you look at the one that's got the square, which looks like football, it went from below 25 to about 25 from April to May. That one increased. So we're going to say that one's football. If you look at the other two, they all went down. Down, down, down. Red Knight going down. So we'll say football. Fewer cards were collected in February than January for how many types of trading cards? So it says fewer cards in February than January. So we want the number to be lower here and higher in January. Baseball went down for sure. So baseball. It went down in football. It went down in cricket. Who collects cricket cards? Is this Europe or what? And it went down in rugby. Also, come on, rugby. What year is it? The only one that went up was hockey. And it says which ones went down. So, all right, that's the conclusion of that. Please do exercise set 2.